welcome to the channel, welcome to the workshop. As you can see, Lego build today. And this one, oh look at it, it's a Walkman, and you know how much, if you've been on the a few previous videos, how much I love my Walkmans and rebuilding them. So when I saw this on AliExpress for not a lot of money, I think it was about £13–14 delivered, I just had to buy it. So we're just going to do a run through and building it on a time lapse, and that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoy. Cheers. Okay, just looking at this Lego is a little bit, I've just got another kit out, and as you can see, to do a comparison, this Lego is smaller than normal Lego. So this is going to be fun. There's a few bits here as well which are a little bit funny looking. So it's going to be a bit of a challenge, this one, I think, because it is so small. But we'll see how we get on. have it. I thought it was going to be full size, to be honest with you. I thought it was full size Lego, but as you saw before, the Lego is slightly different size. Not a bad little kit. Took about an hour and 20 minutes to make. Set of headphones. Plug. Got the volume. Switches on top. It opens up. So you can take the cassette out. Comes with two. Yeah, these plastic blocks though, these smaller ones, they are a softer plastic, so they are a bit more of a pain, and some of the connections I don't think are legit Lego, and I wasn't really expecting it, to be honest with you. These headphones though, these came together quite well. That's the leftover stuff. I thought it was quite a nice little kit. I'll get some close up of it in a minute. I'll put it next to in fact, I've got a real one in there. I don't. I'll put it next to a real one so you can see the difference in size. In fact, hold on a second. For size comparison, that about a third of the size. But yeah, I'll get some quick shots on that. They cost about £13, I think, delivered from China on AliExpress. It was a bit of fun, wasn't it? Oops, upside down. Bit of fun. I've got another couple of Lego builds knocking around next to me, just over here. We'll get onto at some point. But yeah, if you like this, please like and subscribe. Cheers.